product starts somewhere. To create a product on Product Hubb, simply go to the product page. From here, you only need a couple of things. You'll be presented with the Create Product page immediately. The first thing we have to come up with is a product name. Let's say I'm trying to make a smart LED lamp for indoor use. I don't have a snazzy name for it quite yet, but I do have the idea. So in order to create the product, I'll keep it simple and name it LED lamp. The next step, we want to start asking ourselves some questions about the product. What kind of things go into it? What do we need out of it? Select all the items that might be a part of our product. Will we need electronic components? Things like wires, resistors, circuit boards? I'd say so. Do we need mechanical components? Plastic and metal casing, screws? Absolutely. Would we need packaging and accessories? Well, most finalized products do. And if I'm trying to sell this in stores and online, we're going to need packaging and accessories. Lastly, I'm going to need assembly help at every step of the way. Once we're ready, we can hit the Create button and we're ready to start. We'll be shown our dashboard for our LED lamp. From here, we can continue to add details to this product if we want to. However, I do want to show you something. If we go back to the product page, I want to show you that we can always go back and edit information for products that we've already created. Let's say we want to take away the assembly step or remove electronic components. We can do so. We can also add stuff, change the name, and in general, update the product. This has been the Product tab on Product Hubb. Up next, we're going to show you how the dashboard works and how to build a product from scratch. We won't be building the LED lamp today. Instead, we're going to be building the Treasure Model T wallet. The Treasure Model T wallet is an open source cryptocurrency wallet design that we're going to use to show how simple it is to build something that's not so simple on Product Hubb. Once we've selected the type of product that we'll be making here on the Products tab, it's time to move over to the Dashboard tab. From there, you'll be able to build your product piece by piece, as well as get a bird's eye view of the entire operation. Let me show you how it works. Simply click on the Dashboard tab, and from there, you'll be shown the dashboard page. Once we've built out our product, this is where you'll live. All of the important information that you need to keep your production running, as well as sales information for the past year, are available at a glance for you immediately once you hit the Dashboard tab. However, we haven't built out this product quite yet. We need to add some more details before this dashboard comes to life. Up next, we'll be adding electronic components. That means things from PCBs to wires, you name it. Thank you so much for checking out our demo of the Product Hubb platform. If you like what you saw, make sure to check out our other blogs on all the other different features that Product Hubb has. Make sure to follow us on social media. All the links are in the description below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. And remember, Product Hubb makes manufacturing easy.